Perfect.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm working on changing the key switch and the wiper switch. So this is an easy removal. I already removed the top part, which is really easy. You just take those clips off and you just take it off. Then this one, you're just gonna push right here, not exactly where I'm pointing. Can't do it with one hand. But right over here, you just push and then you pull it out. Okay, I'm gonna try right now. There we go. That's it. I'll slide off. Really easy. Basically, you push on this. You push on this, and you just pull it out, and it slides. And then from behind, this is what it is. Right here is the plug. That's it. So this bolt, it's actually bolt but doesn't have a head. So we're gonna try to take it off. And you take off the other one, and then the whole switch would come out. And then you just put the new one. I just actually got original one from a used car. I think they can go from 2011 to 2017. I'm not really sure, but this is it with the key and everything. So we're gonna try to put this one, and I'll show you after I put it. I'll try to video or film anything that when I take it off, and it's right there. Alright, this is the only way, is to use a hammer and something like that, just so you can turn the bolt and you start unbolt it, like what we're doing right now. I'll take you to the other side.
Knock it.
Alright, there we go. New key. I gotta go find the wiper switch. and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna put it together. Alright, that's a new switch for the wipers. All set up, all perfect. I'm just gonna put the covers back and we're good to go. Work on some cleaning, some taking care of some stuff for this Hyundai, the 2016 Hyundai Elantra. I'm gonna work on cleaning this. I already tried cleaning some of it, so I figured out what I'm gonna do. I hope it's gonna work. They used marker, I think. So I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna take you through some few things. Alright, let's start cleaning the dash from all this painting and markers. I'm gonna try to use this towel. Alright, let's see how that's gonna work. There we go. It's actually going away and it's not bad. I'm using a thinner, just a little bit of thinner, and it took it off, but I think I'm gonna need a brush for inside the pattern of the plastic, and I'm gonna try to keep going with this for a bit to clean it all over, and then if it doesn't work, I'll just bring a brush. That way it can go through the pattern of the plastic. Alright, it's all gone. Alright, we're gonna start by buffing the hood. I use 3M A. Okay, I finished half of the hood, and I don't know if the camera shows. But that's what I'm gonna do to the rest of the car. Alright guys, this is how the car looked like after I finish it all up. Mirrors back to the normal colors. Already buffed this side off. It's all looking better. Oh, nope. Let's look around first. Just the back of it. No more scratches. Badges is our back. Another mirror. It's back to normal color. Looks actually really good. I didn't change the colors for the wheels. I kept them the way they're black. They're looking good. They're not bad. And then I buffed this side as well, and it's all gone. Alright, I'll show you the inside a little bit, then I'll show you the engine. Okay. This is the inside after I cleaned it all up. I already got the new seat. The old seat has holes from cigarettes or something like that. I cleaned the mats, but they're not really dry, so I'll put them tomorrow probably. Take it to the engine. Okay, this is how the engine looked like after cleaning all with the cleaning and with a cleaner, of course, for the plastic and all that. I got new battery for it as well, and then I got the cover for the engine that was missing, but it's all looking nice now. Okay. If you guys remember, I had that all typing and painting on there. It's all gone now. New key switch, new wipers switch. I just need to put air in the tires. That's the only thing that I have to do next. And that's it. The car is ready for sale. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.